Back in the days long ago, when I was an infant, I was free and alone, sleeping in the womb of my mom as my home, living free from stress and no pains I don't know. Truly, truly, when I was only a child, my world was only happy, so gentle and mild. I never knew that life was not so sweet and kind, till my little years passed away like the night. Little baby, if only you know what you will see when you grow. I think you will wish to grow. You wish to remain a child. Cause I remember those times when I was only a boy, playing with life like toy, but those days are gone. So I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. I used to play with my mama, sitting innocently at the feet of my papa, running around naked, ignoring clothes and wrapper, lying down calmly as I've taken my supper. But now I've known life has so much to offer. In sweet ups and downs, I can smile, I can suffer. Suddenly like lightning flash and the thunder, pleasures come and go, and sometimes I just wonder. Little baby, if only you know what you will see me to. I think you will wish to grow. I remember those times when I was only a boy, playing with life like toy, but those days are gone. So I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. Makamadam na wekabu wata. I never suffered that break. Wekabu wata. Amakwano mifana kone siyoku na fagwalomo. Ni fokenye no na nafu. Okenye ligogo dune no sisi. Fagwaromo. Ni fokenye no na nafu. Watari gogo de no sisi no mamfumu yanya. Mana agwalo mfasi ni fe watakili jina itelo weme. Okenye jide godu iPhone 15. O mame muya. I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. Thank you.